Okay, but the first thing you need for this is some RAM. I got another 8GB ballistic export. So 8GB. I have 8GB already in the computer, so this will make it 16GB for the budget bill. So first thing you want to do is start by screwing your case screws. There's two of them, one there, one there. Remove that. Remove this. Your case should just slide right off when you're around. Here, 16. Only reason why I need 16, guys, by the way, is just so when I'm gaming, so I can record the screen, and then I can show the game files there, but I need the RAM for that stuff. That's all I'll put it. Slide the case right off. Pull the case right over there. Here's the RAM slot. We got the matching colors, by the way. So right there we got a blue dim. There's two greens, two blues. One blue, so we got the RAM in it. The other blue right there in the middle. Where's that? It's the from the second one down top, or the third one down top. Let's grab a RAM. Line them up. Let's open these two latches. Slide them down. Slide it down. Right there. Pop them. Line up the notch. Again, whatever. Let's see what we're doing. Go this way. Alright, go in. Put your hands in the one. Alright, so you want to move your one hand with this stuff, move the wires, and line them up with the dim, or the matching color. And then you want to push it down. Now it's popped in. Close up the other one. So now we got installed. Now we got 8GB, 16GB. Right now let's power the bad boy on. Hit the power switch over here up top. There is a spinning. Let's see. Just see if we get a boot. Make a noise. That's good time. Right, there it is. Lenovo. There we go. Alright, so that's about it, guys. Comment, like, subscribe. Put thumbs up on this video. I decided to install some RAM. Thank you for watching.